Eti we say no waira enya ne kwan so no nam no baby onami eye ekwan ya efiri kwabenya ekọ ekwan ya ufiri pokuaase ba anka wo de kwabenya no nde waten ne etu wi asankanya national road safety pani na gina ho a anka oni ka akase yi ebetimi edi enhyiamu enti asemu a ekoso ewo ahase no ni ama na etwa U10 a wo kono eti mpanifo no wo no mo hanum se wo behwe ama wo mo afom kwan nyina batimi ehu kwan na ba bia wo kono wo de akọ sa kwan yi a pick up yi free so ebe ye kwan yi a ka wo free akra ba besna kokwabenya wo befa so ewo pokuaase interchange ba bia national road safety panyini yi ejina yi eye ba bia wo free pokuaase epese wo kọ kwabenya anka wo befa nanso wo mo a efiri akra eba wo pese wo kọ pokuaase no ko be ko suro no makwa U10 no wonko wo pese wo fa ba bia national road safety panyini yi ejina yi na kwan ne yetiama no wotimi ekọ pokuaase enso enye ne kwan a enti wo bibia obedura no se be na adwe se wo twa U10 bia na national road safety panyini yi a kire ne kwan a ewo se ofaso we ka afoforo so na ba bedi so you know se ono so aye na adwe se anko obetwa U10 edi papi e na etwa U10 bebre kopem se national road safety impanifo yi eba ho ito amuguso a wo kire wo mo kwan interchange ne de mpanifo awia anesa na e kamia e sekita won sabosomi a ye wo mu yi a wo ka so ba bebia no yi ye hwakwan se wo no e ba bebie na amanfo nso atimi afaso na nkyerɛkyerɛ ne de wo sempanifo guso a wo ye isanse obeduru ha confusion ne do so dodo confusion no e do so dodo.
The family you belong to, what's my home? Another president for being around for so would not him. The kind of crime on Panocre. The kind of crime Ghana phone here. Ha! Me say Ghana phone me say check the phone video. All because a check the phone didn't another time, a check the phone I know ya. Ha! Ghana for more to come. Some of you are so much shame to yourself. We want to face Ghana. Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called move from we say judiciary some law no nyɛ adwuma Ghana na mo tia bloche mra na de bu ablochire emra enti wo didi ahon fanto fom emra enti wo nyu so gugo tem ɛdan ho kra wo timi nyo so wo timi nyo kwate round so mama dia mo say hey atem dia na de fisikro no chimienti. We have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country, no be able. What's a minute in a talk? And Ghana, no, I say we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you some. Yes, you have been in senator. Oh, Papa, president. Now, because you are not the form. Now, me met the form. Because you are near Canada. You are primary school, SLC, and ultimately now school. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, they can run as your president. Because you are near primary school fees, near primary book. Yes, me book what it's near primary. Now, one hour by yesterday. Ghana for community ya to Obama obia ya to Obama it we honorable it also kasa Ghana for yentio honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you was schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? J.J. no you kwan papa. On shema kwasi kwan. Eno kwa de na mani che ho. Enso na na do kwan a oguno eyesin J.J. de. So let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, papa, time near the Kabi, and Yaka and Echo from, and Yaka, your fro, and Nuna, a Juma air trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yaka and a fro, Edico school. Nako 4 by ever 2 papa, and what the buses, metro buses. Eba ne fro ye ena Ghana for ye de body gugu metro mass and ye say no enti Ghana ntime fese Ghana for no so ye problem kofo be fese ye no zinata papa edi ade za tam no ana o kofo ba ye eno ma kofo ye o papa wontimi anya bi o kwa tese ka utwane ndisi kura ese ka utwane bibi foforo ne hu the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Okay, say you to know Mokasa, we are not forcing your own. Okay, say you to know where face the country, or we are not forcing me. And come back to Ghana for say. Wobi abaji brabu bi abanin chew komu di nyansa bekasa komu ka cha Ghana for say mu amosisi sidan fon mosisi sikode na wokwan ho mu amode e de say kiosk wasisi kwan no yembu punu nyina na abrochire nyasa na tie sa you to nim nyansa komu ka de tie wa abrochire aka cha president say ye pesa Ghana ye tie ma me mo te kwan no wo mo sore president simakat usimakat ya famo mu free. Yes, see, Kajatia market. To Mama Yadie. Nano said to Twayadie. Nanado Ayadie. Nanado Betwasum. I fake Kajaket, Yea, Johnson Dioma. Who got Johnson again and it walk.